Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by narrowing the search to the doctor's likely lair. Use the map and mark the 0. 5-kilometer radius immediately. Ask 3 NPCs for sightings and patterns because their routines reveal entry windows. While you listen, prepare. Equip 2 healing flasks, 1 stealth item, and a reliable ranged weapon so you can approach or disengage. Once done, move quietly toward the zone during a low patrol interval. This gets you into position. You should approach using stealth until you have clear line of sight, avoiding patrols for at least 30 seconds to prevent an alert. Once in place, observe the doctor's tells. Look for a visual glow or an audio chime and a 3-second wind-up before major moves. These cues tell you when to evade. When the doctor staggers after a heavy attack, strike decisively. Alternate ranged and melee to break phases. Make sure to rotate flasks between bursts to sustain momentum. You complete the fight by committing to a final combo in the doctor's last stagger. Time a full stamina burst at 100% and chain your highest damage moves. After the enemy falls, immediately secure loot and check the mission log for follow-up leads or side quests that the encounter unlocks. If things go wrong, retreat to a safe zone, restock 2 healing flasks, repair gear, and revise your plan based on observed patterns. This keeps you ready for a cleaner, faster attempt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.